GER Detect, in cooperation with its exclusive agent, UIG Detectors, would like to introduce to you Titan GER 500, designed to detect diamonds and gemstones underground. Titan GER 500 has got unique features as it is small, light, and easy to use. Here's a detailed set of instructions on how this device is set up and how it operates. Unfold the grip of the device. Place the antenna on the device. Fix the signal transmitter. Install signal recipients. Extend the signal of the recipients in order to widen the range of the device at 2,500 meters. Open the screen. Switch the device on by pushing the on-off button. You can see that there's a compass built on the device. This compass is to enable the user to set the north and south directions, which is the best method to discover diamond and gemstones. The user should position themselves facing the south with their back to the north. The reason for that is that diamonds and gemstones starts to send ionic radiations when it's been underground for so long, in line with north and south magnetic fields. Touch the screen to view the language options menu. After choosing the language, a target type will pop up. Choose Gemstones option. Select Emerald, for example. Set the front range at 2,500 meters, for example. The device will start searching. When emerald sensed underground, recipients will turn to the direction of the detected emerald, showing it on the smart screen of the device. Walk towards with the guidance of the indicator till you stand right on the spot where target exists underground. To determine the depth of a discovered target, stand in the center of the target spotted area and turn 45 degrees. Walk straight ahead till the signal recipients turn to the backside. Measure the distance between the point where the recipients turn back and the point where the target has been discovered. This distance equals the depth of the target underground. This device is light and easy to operate. It functions in 4 languages: Deutsch, English, French, and Arabic. It can reach 65 meters deep with a front range of 2,500 meters. Titan GER 500 is one of the best German inventions, as it is designed to operate in any country of any region. We wish you the best of luck with your exploratory trips.